PCBA printed circuit board assembly can be used in a wide variety of devices, depending on the circuit design and end-use application. Examples of devices that can utilize PCBA include: we can build PCBA for all kinds of devices like these: home appliances, TVs, washing machines, refrigerators, microwaves, IoT devices, smart home gadgets, CCTV, smart sensors, medical devices, blood pressure monitors, diagnostic tools, ventilators, automotive electronics, ECUs, sensor systems, car infotainment displays, industrial control systems, PLCs, detectors, factory automation units, communication equipment, routers, modems, network modules, base stations, consumer electronics, smartphones, tablets, laptops, wireless earbuds, AI and robotics, robot controllers, vision processing boards. Keep best PCBA Thailand.